The Santa Clarita Public Library is proud to offer curbside printing pickup at the Old Town New Hall Library. Curbside printing is free, and you can print up to 10 pages per day per user. There are two ways to access our curbside printing service: through the Printer On app and through the library's website. We'll cover both options in this video today. Let's get started. Option 1. Using the Printer On app. You can download the Printer On app from your app store. Once the app is downloaded, you'll need to find the library's printer. Select the No Printer Selected button towards the bottom of the app. A new page of the app will load. Next, click on Location, which looks like a map icon on the bottom menu. You can allow the app to use your location to find the library's printer. Or, if you prefer, you can find the library's printer manually using the search field at the top. Type in New Hall to find the library's printers. Then, zoom in on the map to find the Old Town New Hall Library. Once you've located the library, tap on the red printer icon. A small pop-up will appear with two printers. Tap on the pop-up that says Two Printers, and it will bring you to the printer options for the Old Town New Hall Library. You can select the black and white printer or color printing, depending on what you're printing. For easy printing, select Documents or Photos and preview your print. Select the green printing button and enter your email address. You will need to provide your email address to staff during pickup, so be sure to have that ready. Next, click the white check mark in the upper right-hand corner to send your printing job to the library. Your print should be ready for pickup within 15 minutes. Click on Print History to see uploading printing information. Option 2. Using the library's website. From the library's website, scroll down until you see Access Wi-Fi Printing on the right-hand side. Click on Access Wi-Fi Printing. You'll be brought to the Wi-Fi printing page. Click on the Old Town New Hall Library link to go to the Printing Services page. On the Printing Services page, you'll be able to enter your email address and select the file you want to print from your device or computer. Select the green printer icon to send your file to the library. You'll see your file processing. Be patient, since uploading your print job can take several minutes, depending on the file size. Your print job will say, "Your request has been processed," when it's finished. From here, you can stop by the Old Town New Hall Library, call our curbside number at 661-259-0750, and follow the prompts to select the Old Town New Hall Library. Provide your email address in order for staff to print your items. Thanks for following along, and see you next time.